So hello everyone, let's get on to another unboxing of a BM800 microphone, basically a condenser microphone. So let's unbox it. Alright, so after opening the box, here we get two additional boxes inside. One is the condenser microphone and another is the recording microphone stand. So let's unbox the other one, the arm, which we can see as well. Alright, so this is the arm. It's like folding one all together, and another one is this is basically a mount which will, arm will get onto this, and this will basically be onto the desk, we can say. And this is another arm for microphone. So now let's unbox the condenser microphone, which will be mounting on the arm as well. Alright, so here we are. We got this cover for microphone. Here are some wires, the stand, a manual with different frequencies. Also there are different notes which we can read later on. Yes, we'll talk about this later. This is basically a gold plated, zinc alloy microphone. This is the wire, the jack. This goes to the back of this microphone. This is basically a converter, we can say. We can also place the audio pin as well as the microphone pin as well. This is the shock absorber. We will we will see more. Hey everyone, so let's start the setup and let's mount the whole microphone on my desk. Here is the mount of the desk. So I'll just mount this over here, and then I'll be adding the arm onto that. So let me just tighten that first onto my desk. You can do it anywhere, a table or a desk. So I'm just doing that first of all, and yep, now it's perfect. It's like a good tightened one. And here's the arm. It's like flexible, front and back. It will go here like this, and it can move around like front and back till like 135 degree around. And for up and down movement, it's like 180 degree. So this is how it moves up and down, and it's like pretty compatible with the work around yourself. And this is the screw. So I'll just tighten this up with the table mount so it does not shakes and deforms. Yep. So yep, now it's like tightened, and it's pretty like compatible with the desk as well. It is proper. Let's add the shock mount. So I'll add it to the top of the arm over here. I'll just screw it away. Yep, let me just make that more tight. Here is the screw which I can adjust with. Alright, the movement looks good. Here's the condenser microphone. So first of all, I'll just add the aux pin. So basically at this moment of time, I got a little confused and just made a mistake. So first of all, I laughed upon myself, and then I just got an idea that how I can place that microphone onto that shock mount. So first I placed that microphone, and then I just added that jack pin. Now the wire which comes along with the set is a pretty long one, and first of all you need to make sure that the microphone is like properly fitted around, and it's not shaking unnecessarily, and it's tight enough so that it doesn't fall. And now as you can see, the wire is pretty long, and you can like adjust it anywhere. See, so first of all I'm just making sure the wire does not hang unnecessarily, and I'm just turning it around the arm so that it looks proper and clean. So I'm making sure it does look a little bit less messy, and I'm just turning around the entire wire along the entire arm. Alright, so now it's like set it up. The movement is good, everything looks good. Last but not the least, at the end, what I'll do is that the the remaining thing, which is the connection of the aux pin with my laptop. So here is the aux pin and here is the connector. So there are like two inputs and one output. So there's like one is for microphone and one other one is for earphone. So the other end will go directly onto my laptop. So now moving forward, we'll know more about each and every component which is the part of this kit. So everyone, so yes, I have set this up onto my desk and now it's like perfectly working all together. And now I'm pretty excited to tell you more about this product, the features of this product. So let's, without wasting much time, let's jump onto the real thing. So as you can see on the screen, these are all the components that are included in the box which you will get online, and I'll just brief more about each and everything included in this packet. As you can see over here, there's a connect jack splitter which you can insert in your laptop, PC or any of your mobile devices you are using. And there are two slots over here for the input. One is for any of your earphone or headphones you are using, and the other one is for the microphone, so you can connect both of them over here. And this is like very easy to use and plug and play as well. Also, this is the mount I was talking about. This will go onto the desk whichever you are using. It can be your dining table, your desk, your table, or any kind of support you want to use it over here. This is for the mic as well. You can just screw this up onto the top of the arm as well. Yes, here is the arm. As I said earlier, this is where which goes onto your desk, and as you can see here, it's like soft cushion which can protect your furniture as well, so that there's not a case of any scratches or something like that. And yes, for the front and back movement, it's like movement of up to 135 degrees, and for up and down movement, it's like movement up to 180 degrees. So this is a really good thing about this. And yes, here is the microphone. It's like, this is the steel neck. I bought a golden color because this is what attracted me, the color, and I really like that. And this is the shockproof mount, I would say, and this is really important because maybe in case of your table gets shocked about something, maybe it's like there's any disturbance, so it will prevent mic to get shake due to that disturbance, and this will hold it readily over that position, and that is really very important. Also, the body is of zinc alloy, so that is also a plus one for everything which goes all together. And of course, the perfect connection. This is the arm. All the dimension over here is provided, and yes, the quality of the metallic frame is also very good. This is the base connector which goes onto the mount which we added to our desk as well. And yes, these are the adjustment knobs over here, and over here as well, you can see. And yes, altogether makes a very good component and a good arm stand as well. And there are different ways which you can use this condenser microphone. You can use it directly with a small stand as well and directly place it on your desk or table. And there are different angles on which you can use your microphone. For example, I have kept it vertically upwards direction. You can also keep it in the horizontal direction. You can keep it at an angle. You can also keep it like upside down. It can be in any of the way in which you are comfortable. So this makes it more compatible according to your needs, according to your usage. So that's the thing. And yes, you can buy this online on the amazon.in website. I will also put the link in the description. You can just check it out from there. And it's like a very cheap condenser microphone which I bought because I've just started with my YouTube journey and I wanted to start with small, and eventually gradually I will earn out of my efforts and I'll buy a good one for me. There are different like Blue Yeti, Skyball, and there are different things as well. So definitely you can check out that as well. And yes, this is the description about this. You can also buy all this together as well. And here is the comparison. There are different set of microphones which are available. This one is a really good one. This is as well a good set of microphone which you can buy. And yeah, definitely. So don't forget to check it out. I'll also place the link about the same in the description, and see you guys later around. And do let me know how much you like the condenser microphone in the comment section. And yes, as you can see on the screen, this is the golden color, and there are different colors you can buy. feel free to look around with your choices and make sure you buy the good one and do not waste money unnecessarily. And let me know in the chat section below that how was the video, how did you like this whole unboxing video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get updates on my upcoming videos, because I got a lot of content which I'll be coming up with in coming days as well. So yes guys, see you around, take care, bye bye, and bye bye.